So all of our glue has dried and we are ready to add color. You are going to need your dried glue drawing, and we will be using oil pastels today for our color. Decide on what color you want to use first. I'm using purple, and I've noticed that my purple actually isn't really ready to draw with, so I'm going to take some paper off around it. That's okay to do with oil pastels. They're made to have the paper taken off of them. But once you do that, you need to get up and throw it right in the trash. So now I'm ready to add color. I'm going to start with the spots on my bug first. And I'm going to make sure that I only color inside the glue lines. So some of my spots are too small for me to make circles out of glue and just dots, so I'm going to skip those. I'm only going to color inside of the glue, not over it. I also want to make sure that all of my coloring is in at least the 3 or hopefully the 4 on our craftsmanship chart. If you're having a hard time getting there, remember to slow down. So sometimes as you're coloring with oil pastels, they'll break. That's okay. Just pick which half you want to use and put the other half back in the box. So now I need to decide what the next color I'm going to use on my bug is. If you're having trouble choosing, it's a good idea to look at the color wheel. If you use colors that are complementary, which are the ones directly across from each other, like purple and yellow, red and green, and blue and orange, it'll make the other colors look really bright. So I've used yellow because I made my dots on my bug's head purple. So here you can see that I'm going back over what I already drew to make sure that I fill in any white spots and really get my craftsmanship the best that it can be. Something really cool and unique that you can do with oil pastels is you can blend them with your finger. So I've chosen orange because it's in the same color family as yellow and I think it'll look really cool blended. I'm drawing a line and then I'm using my fingers to press hard and drag that orange into the yellow so it really starts to look blended. You might have to go over it a few times, and don't worry if your fingers get a little messy. And here is my work for today. You can see it's not finished, but that's because I really took my time. I really want to make sure that you are doing the best you can do. It's definitely not a race. Slow down, and don't worry if you also only get half done today.